To make these brownies, it's easy and brownies is always fast. So preheat your oven 350 Fahrenheit or 180 Celsius. And then you have to make dulce de leche or cajeta. I have the recipe, I will put the link. It's super easy, super fast. And I'm using 8 by 8 pan lined with parchment paper. Now we start to make actual brownies batter. We're preparing dried ingredients. This is half cup flour, and then we put 1/3 cup cocoa powder. I'm using this. This is 1/4 cup, so it's kind of heaping. And then 1.5 cup sugar, just plain granulated sugar. Salt, salt is important. If you use chocolate, you have to put salt. Remember, this is important ingredients. This is set aside, and we start to prepare the chocolate. This is 200 grams chocolate. You can use dark chocolate. Me, because it's not enough grams in my dark chocolate, I'm using chocolate chip, so no problem. You can use chocolate chip or a good quality dark chocolate. And we add butter, like butter, 115 grams. So it's just 1 stick of butter. Add a little bit more. It's no need to be exact. So I will cut smaller like this, easier to melt. Now we melt. We can use double boiler or microwave, up to you. Melt. Now I will change the bowl to a bigger bowl. I'm gonna add eggs. Three eggs. Dried ingredients. We bake 25 to 30 minutes. We wait until completely cool before we cut these brownies.